In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to transform your service offerings into a professional, multi-page rate card PDF. Let's get started. I begin by opening my notes where I've prepared my initial prompt. I want to set a clear persona, so I copy the instructions for ChatGPT to act as my professional rate card creator. I paste this into the chat, emphasizing that the output needs to be clear, scannable, and transparent for potential clients. ChatGPT quickly confirms the role and shows me the structure it plans to follow, covering everything from deliverables to investment levels and project timelines. With the foundation set, I go back to my notes to grab the specifics for my primary service tiers. I copy the details for 3 levels of content: strategy, starter, standard, and premium, and paste them into the input field. As the AI generates the response, you can see it organizing the content strategy services into an easy-to-read format. It highlights the content clarity plan for beginners, the content growth strategy for established businesses, and the content authority partnership for those looking for a full-scale strategy. It even includes specific pricing and a best for section for each tier, which helps potential clients identify exactly where they fit. Next, I want to provide more flexible options for clients who might only need individual services. I head back to my notes to copy my a la carte prompt and paste it in. This section covers one-off tasks like blog post writing, email newsletters, and social media captions. ChatGPT lists these with fixed prices, specific deliverables, and turnaround times, making the entire menu of services very easy to navigate and understand at a glance. To round out my offerings, I need a section dedicated to larger organizations and corporate clients. I copy my prompt for enterprise-level services, which includes high-level strategy development and consulting workshops. After pasting it in, I get a sophisticated set of options including day rates for consulting and comprehensive brand audits. This ensures that I have a professional response ready for high-budget corporate inquiries. Finally, it's time to package all of this information into a single, professional document that I can actually send to prospects. I copy a comprehensive prompt that asks ChatGPT to generate a downloadable PDF. I've included instructions to add a short bio, a value statement, and an FAQ section to address common questions before they're even asked. I paste this final request and let the system analyze and compile the data. Once the "Download the PDF" link appears, I click it and open the newly created file. As I scroll through the finished document, you can see how polished and professional the layout is. It starts with my About section, moves through the tiered packages and a la carte options, and concludes with clear next steps for the client. In just a few minutes, I've gone from a few notes to a client-ready rate card. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.